Hi everyone, welcome to Center Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I'm going to be doing a nice bright swipe, I think is what I'm going to plan to do. Now I've got my canvas ready to go with my level ups on the bottom. They're all taped on there. And just to give you a quick glance of it, it looks like a little dollhouse table. Greg makes them on his 3D printer. I call them a level up, and all you do is turn this little nut and it goes up or it goes down, and you can level off your art space. Awesome things. And he also makes these swipe sheets. So there'll be a link in the description, sorry, if you want to check it out. They're fabulous. I use them all the time. Now I'm going to be doing Little Piggies pigments, all in nice bright colors. You'll see them all along the side here. I've got grunge and funk, watermelon, techno, groovy, inferno, my favorite, and taffy, which is the blue. So nice bright colors. Let's do a swipe. Now if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And everybody that keeps coming back, all my wonderful regulars, thank you so much, you guys. It means the world to me. I very much appreciate all the time you spend watching my videos. Okay, hun, hit the music. Let's create a masterpiece.
She's sweet like a honey drip. I love the feel of her fingertips. Don't I know it? Don't I know it? She wants to dance, keeps me up at night, till the moon passes out of sight. Don't I know it? Don't I know it? Every man has a heart to give. Every man has a lot to live. Need a girl, keep us moving on. If you know what I mean, sing along. She like a free bird, flying free, yeah. You know I need her, I got a live one. She's a wild one. She like a fire, it's getting harder. She's my desire, I got a live one. She's a wild one. Loves the heat of the summertime, on the porch sipping bottled wine. Don't I know it? Don't I know it? She loves the dangerous sneaking out to the backfields making out. Don't I know it? Don't I know it? Every man has a heart to give. Every man has a lot to live. Need a girl, keep us moving on. If you know what I mean, sing along. She like a free bird, flying free, yeah. You know I need her, I got a live one. She's a wild one. She like a fire, it's getting harder. She's my desire, I got a live one. She's a wild one. Yeah, she's a wild one. Yeah, wild woman. She's free to run, she's free to fly. Oh my, wild woman. She's dangerous, she'll take you for a ride. Wild woman. She's mystical, mysterious. Alright, wild woman. Wild woman, woman. Everybody got something to say about us, like we shouldn't be caught in this mess. Baby, I can't help but say I love you. She's like a free bird, flying free, yeah. You know I need it, I got a live one. She's a wild one. She like a fire, it's getting harder. She's my desire, I got a live one. She's a wild
Gonna start my weekend out right. Gonna live it up in my downtown. I got a new book and its words would look just right. This is sunlight, work on my sunburned old day. LaCroix in my hand and I don't need any plans to have the time that I'm looking for. Saturdays are what my weeks were made for. We got that sunshine and good time. We're living our best lives down off Seminole Drive. We're getting sky high off some low tide. We're playing wiffle ball in the sand while we're listening to our favorite band. I got my buddies in the beach with sunglass eyes, nobody knows why. We'd be anywhere else. So when it's harder than hell, we got stories to tell all summer long, with some good songs to sing along. This breeze is too nice to ignore. Saturdays are what my weeks were made for. We got that sunshine and good time. We're living our best lives down off Seminole Drive. We're getting sky high off some low tide. We're playing wiffle ball in the sand while we're listening to our favorite band. We just might get around in before sundown. Faint chains in the background. Stevie C's got an ace now. And Huey Lewis is the only kind of news I wanna hear. It's just to sit right down and have ourselves some Mexican beer. Saturday's the best time to let it all unwind. We got some good shade to celebrate all of them good days that are coming our way. I'll see you on Saturday.